Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina. Click the subscription button if you like contents about travel, fashion, lifestyle. So I am going to do my first DIY project. I am going to redo my backyard. I'm going to stain the concrete in my backyard. It's nasty, it's dirty, and it's a pretty good size. And I think it would be fun tackling it and so forth. So I'm hoping that it turns out the way that it's in my head. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the before, what it looks like, and how I get it done. Okay guys, stay tuned. So this is the concrete. This is what I'm going to be staining. Well, actually, I'm going to paint it. So right here, you see I have a fire pit. It's just a simple backyard. I have a fire pit right there, my two little chairs. I have grass. You know, I have a lawn, have a little lawn there and stuff. So it's a pretty decent sized backyard. As you could see, where I'm going to be painting, it's going to be a lot of painting. That's one side of the house. So in order to paint concrete, you have to clean it thoroughly so the paint will absorb and adhere to the concrete. Right there, I had a beautiful tree, and we had a very windy weather past couple of days, and it came down. So back to this concrete. So this is what I'm working with. It's not so bad. It could have been worse, but you know, I have a pressure washer. I have a scrub brush, and I'm just going to be using water and some, you know, female power, just scrubbing away. And you can see my lawn right there. And I have this tree. I don't know what type of tree this is, but right now it's giving off these little flower buds, and it just makes a mess. So I have to sweep this up. And after I sweep that up, then I am going to be scrubbing and power washing.